Respect is a very serious thing in a human's life, and many people would rather choose death than live without respect. Most people do not even know how to get their respect. We will tell you about 6 secret ways by which you can get anyone to respect and value you very easily. People will be forced to respect you. So friends, watch the video till the end, because the last point may be the most important for you. Number 1, force respect. You cannot ask for respect from anyone to get respect, or you cannot beg for respect from anyone. Many people will say that it is absolutely wrong to ask for respect by force. This is because they do not understand its real meaning. I will explain it to you as an example. Actually, once a foreign fighter came from a hilly area. He was a Muslim who knew very little English, but his fighting talent could not be ignored. His name was Khabib. When he was not very famous, he used to get a lot of disrespect, full abuses, and caste-related racist comments from people during fights. But despite this, he kept focusing on his MMA game. He just kept defeating their favorite fighters easily. Slowly, people stopped saying racist things about him. And today we can all see that finally that guy Khabib has become the greatest champion, and all those who hated him have turned into his fans. Those who used to talk bad things about him, today the same people say that they never hated him. Khabib indirectly used force on people to get respect from them. He did not know these fans personally, but still he got respect by fighting with their favorite fighters and defeating them. So if you want to get respect, then you have to bring respect in this world on your own. You should be so powerful and strong that people cannot avoid respecting you. Think of a businessman who always fails. A failure cannot force other people to respect him. Now imagine how that man is achieving the heights of success by defeating all his competitors. Now everyone will respect him. Even the competitors who have lost to him will respect him. He may not like him, but they will be forced to respect him. Number 2, never apologize. You should not apologize to avoid an argument or fight. That means if your thoughts and thinking are not matching with the other person, then it does not mean that you apologize and back off. By the way, I don't mean that you should not apologize. Rather, it is very important to understand your mistake. But if it is not your mistake, then saying sorry is also not right. Females often do this. You see that often females do not want to hurt the feelings of other people and try to avoid fights. That is why you often hear them saying, "Sorry, I did not mean that." But next time when you say sorry to someone, you need to know that if you apologize for every small thing, then the weight and value of your apology will keep on decreasing. The quality of being loyal to yourself shows your high self-confidence. It shows that you do not live in fear, and the consequences of your truth and honesty can be anything. You are ready for them. That means you do not apologize immediately for something you believe in. If you are the person who keeps apologizing a lot, then I would like to tell you that even though you think you are a very kind and good person, in reality you are sending a message to others that you lack self-confidence and you are not effective at all. This can also give permission to any person to behave badly with you, or can also make you their victim. Number 3, take up space. It is a fact that we are born with a special skill and authority. You see that when we take our place in this world, we adopt a physical and psychological area. That means if you are a male, then your psychology will be different, and if you are a female, then your psychology and physique will be different. So whenever you stand or sit completely relaxed. There is a very big psychology behind this. You must have seen around you. There are some people who are stingy in everything. Saving at some places is a very good thing, but this should not be done everywhere. For example, some people sit in a shrinking position. They are afraid to stretch their legs. They think that people will think they have an attitude. Guys, always remember this. Attitude is everything. All the successful people have some attitude in them. Sometimes ethics also comes under attitude. So friends, if you really want to be respected, then walk with your chest out and shoulders back, and when you sit, never belittle yourself to make others feel good. Fix a space for yourself in your life and be relaxed. Then see, people will automatically respect you. Number 4, give respect. Our elders also used to say that the more you give, the more you will get. This applies to respect as well. If you give respect to the other person will respect you. I had also said in the beginning of the video that respect can only be given, it cannot be taken. But when you give respect, you will automatically get respect. Only a stupid person does not know how to respect others, and no one respects such stupid people. To get respect, it is very important to know how to give respect. It is very important to know how to talk to other people, whether he is the CEO of a company or a waiter in a hotel. When you insult other people, you will often make them feel bad. Whether you are aware of it or not, they will never respect you. When people do something for you, take care of them, and if needed, immediately reach out to help them. If you are able to do this, the world will salute you. This should not be said, but in the modern world, the human values of people are becoming zero. If you really want respect, then first of all, you have to give respect to the other person as well. That is why powerful people have only one principle: give respect. Take respect. Number 5, consistent power. Friends, every person respects a powerful person, so be powerful. This is something that cannot be denied. The world salutes the one who has power. There are many types of power. We consider the person who is mentally strong to be the most powerful. Having physical skills is another form of power. Apart from this, there are other forms of power. The more you are able to gain power and maintain it continuously, the more people will respect you. It means nothing happens just by gaining power once. You should also know how to manage it. That is why aim to become the best version of yourself and become powerful in all areas of your life. This is not easy, but you will have to work hard for it. Only then you will be able to become a better respectful person. Number 6, respect yourself. If you behave like a joker with yourself, then you deserve to be treated in the same way. Many people want respect from others, but they don't respect themselves. If you really want respect, then first respect yourself. Make rules and principles for your own life and then follow them. You should give importance to yourself according to your life, your rules, and your own wishes. Tell the other person through your work that you deserve respect. And finally, I will only say that live with honesty and be a true person to yourself, no matter what others say. So friends, these are some ways that you can add to your life and increase your respect. I hope that some value will be created in your life through this video. So share the video with your friends too. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So see you with some such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.